To my channel, and today we are unboxing the DLP printer, and it uses liquid to print. Okay guys, let's see what we got. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, we got plastic. That's a good thing. Wait, I don't...
Just lift the foam on the top of it. It's a little lid there, yeah?
Okay. Oh, that's cool. You can protect it.
Yep.
And we got the DLP printer.
All right, hold it up to the camera so we can see what you're... Bring it a little closer so we can see what it is.
This is what we got.
All right, so today it is the Anycubic Photon DLP printer. What else is in there?
I'm really excited. Ooh, we got some of this. And this is resin.
That is a resin. What color is it?
Like brown. It looks green. Green, 250 grams. And then we got this power supplier. And then we got this. Plug it in. Here we go. And then we got this. We got this stuff. And then we got the screwdriver. It's cool. Isn't it?
That's a cool screwdriver.
And then we got this.
Hold it up to the camera. What is it?
I think it's for the plugging for stuff to print. Okay, this is really hard to get, so I just use the spatula. Okay, now we just have this plastic. And now we just have all the foam. So we got this to put in.
That's the build plate.
That's nice. Put it right here. Okay, this took a little bit. Okay. Nice. I like it. Then we got these.
Filters for your resin.
This is cool. So now I just get all the plastic off. We don't have any. I like it. It looks nice.
Yeah,
I'm sure this.
Okay, we're going to install the handle
nice.
and check the screen, and we'll be back and take you through the menus. Go ahead.
Okay guys, so we're just leveling it right now. So, 1. Okay.
And you want to wait till the paper's pretty tight under the plate. You got to push it till it beeps. There you go. How's that feel?
A little bit better. Now I think this is getting like...
Yeah, has it got tension on the paper for sure? Okay. So push the back arrow. Yep. And push to Z equals 0. Push it. There you go. And hit yes. There you go. Now click the move Z again. No. Hit yes. Move Z.
Oh, move Z.
Okay, now push the 1 that's in the middle. Yep. And now push the up arrow so it goes up. There you go. Now push it a couple more times. We have to get it up. There you go. Now we know we're good. Now hit the 10. There you go. There you go. Now we're going to install the vat and add the resin.
Yay!
Okay, and go ahead.
So now I'm going to hit the UV button. Okay, so next.
There we go.
Looks good.
The screen is displaying good. All right, I guess we're ready for the vat and we're ready to do our test print. I'm going to give you guys a little snippet of what we find on the SD, or not the SD card, but the USB stick, so you know exactly what test prints and what files are on that card. And it's a 4 gig card.
Okay guys, I finally found my mask and now let's pour in the resin. Okay, we're gonna fill up to the line. Super. Oh wow, it's nice and liquidy. So cool. Okay, so now we should a little bit more and turn. Oh, we still need a. Is that good? Just a tiny.
Just a little bit more.
Okay, that looks good.
There you go. I think you got it. Ooh. So.
Okay, now guys, we are ready for it to print. I'm really excited by how much detail it'll be. Okay, so we got the red light. Now let's get to print. I'm gonna press it. Photon. And now print.
Yep. The play button.
Okay, here it's going. I'm really excited.
Okay, now we'll wait till it prints.